Hi everyone, it's Joni here. Welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to paint a canvas neon pink first and then create a beautiful seascape. So I'm working on an 11 by 14 inch stretched canvas, but you can use any size canvas you like and you can use any shade of pink. However, this one is my absolute favorite and you'll find it in my set of 8 paints with a link below. I'm going to be using a large Filbert brush just to paint this entire canvas with, a tiny bit of water just to help work it out of my brush and across the canvas. And then once I've completely covered this canvas up with the pink, I'm going to wash my brush out and then completely dry off the canvas so that it's ready to take the paint. I'm going to start coming in with one of my Filbert brushes. I've got a number 14 Filbert brush. I'm going to get my brush a little bit wet, and I'm going to take a little bit of blue and a little bit of white, and I'm going to start taking my brush in little circles around the top of the canvas. I'm going to spray with a little bit of water, just a fine mist. And I'm going to soften with a dry, clean mop brush, just going in little circles. And I'm going to continue working those colors towards the left side. I'll mist again and continue with the same process. Little circles blending out. Working that paint out down lower and lower. Okay, now I'm going to come down below here and with my Filbert brush, large Filbert brush, I'm going to take some blue and white again, a little bit of water on the bottom of the canvas, and turning my brush like this with the handle pointing straight up. I'm going to wiggle, going up and down while I'm wiggling. And then soft little pulls. And gentle sweeps. Okay, the next color I'm going to take, my small Filbert brush, is turquoise and a little bit of white. And I'm going to start overlapping where I left off with the blue. And add a little bit more white. And then with my mop brush, I'm going to soften, and when it becomes too dry to blend, I'll come in with some more water, just a light little spray. Now I'm going to come down in the water and add some of this light turquoise. I'm going to start to apply it on top of part of the blue. I'm going to lightly tap the two together. And then we get a little bit closer to the horizon. We'll just pull longer sweeping lines. I'm going to tap together where the blue and the green meet. Okay, with a clean brush, I'm going to take yellow and white, a little bit of green, and I'm going to start where I left off with the turquoise. Soften with a mop brush. A little bit of water again. And I'll come down here and do the same thing. Yellow, green, and white. applying this light yellowy green over part of the turquoise where we left off. I've got a neon yellow that I'm going to be using a little bit of. This one is Luminous Lemon by Holbein. And I'm going to be using a 1/4 inch dagger striper brush. I'm going to mix up a little bit of the titanium white with that lemon yellow, the neon lemon, and I'm going to start adding that right underneath and partially over top of that existing color that we finished off with. Add just a little bit of this up above on the turquoise and a little bit on the blue at the top. I'm going to soften in an upward motion. Add a little bit of water. The water helps the paint be able to move around and lift and act kind of like oil paint. Okay, now I'm going to take this beautiful neon yellow and start adding some more highlights to the gentle little waves here in the water. I'm going to add a little bit down here. And I'm going to add some right on the horizon line. Use a little bit of water to help release that out. I want to create that reflection and sun-kissed glow on the sand. So I'm just running a little bit of that neon yellow over the bottom of the canvas on top of the pink. I'm going to take a little bit of white with that yellow, dab and tap right there. with a clean brush, I'm going to take some more blue and I'm going to just go over top of the bottom of the blue that I originally added over the pink, just to make it a little bit darker. I don't want to add too much. I think less is more with this one. I love the colors. I especially love the softness of the sky and then the striking little lines and patterns of color in the water below. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for a new video. Bye!